Welcome to our channel, and a special welcome back to our subscribers. Our growth has been incredible, and we can't thank you enough. If you currently aren't a subscriber, be sure to tap that subscribe button if you find our content helpful. Please hit the thumbs up button, as it really does help the channel. Thanks again, and let's get to our topic today: teaching children about healthy food choices. Embarking on the journey of teaching children about healthy food choices can be an exciting and rewarding adventure, filled with new discoveries and delicious surprises. It equips them with the knowledge to make wiser decisions at home, school, and even when eating out. Consider suggesting snacks low in added sugars, like nuts and fruit, which are both healthy and delicious. Encourage the inclusion of grilled or roasted meat instead of fast food for meals on the go, making healthy choices a fun adventure for the whole family. Introduce new foods often and be patient. Most children may require up to 10 presentations to fully accept new items. Educating on nutritional benefits and food groups. Food serves many life functions. It can be delicious, socially significant, and culturally meaningful, but it also serves a significant scientific function. Children need proper foods containing essential vitamins and minerals for healthy development. Promoting good eating habits from an early age is crucial to ensuring they make healthy lifestyle decisions. Start by exposing your kids to an array of healthy foods and instilling in them an understanding of the nutritional benefits of various food groups. Use tools like the My Plate food guidance symbol, the food guide pyramid, or the old food wheel. These teaching aids help explain the major food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy products. Depending on age and ability level, you could even break these down to highlight specific nutrients like vitamin C or fiber. Try to include fresh, frozen, or canned fruits and vegetables, low in added sugars at each meal. Select lean meats, poultry, seafood, or beans for protein sources. Incorporate plant sources, such as whole grains, nuts, and seeds. As parents and caregivers, you play a crucial role in shaping your child's eating habits. By providing a variety of healthy food choices and setting a good example with your own eating habits, you can help your child develop a lifelong love for nutritious foods. You set a powerful example by focusing on eating nutrient-dense foods and limiting high-calorie, low-nutrient items like soda or candy in your home. At mealtimes, put away toys and screens to encourage conversation and focus on eating together as a family. This promotes healthy eating and fosters a sense of togetherness and shared responsibility for health. Involving children in meal planning using healthy food choices is one effective way to teach kids about healthy eating. This makes learning fun and engaging and helps them develop decision-making skills. For example, they could help plan meals and snacks for the week, or accompany you shopping at the grocery store to select appropriate products for your home. By making lunch for themselves, they can develop organizational skills that could translate to success later on. Meal planning can be an excellent way to introduce children to new foods and recipes, as they're more likely to try food they helped prepare themselves. Try serving new food creatively, such as cutting it into unusual shapes, or making a collage of broccoli florets for trees, cauliflower for clouds, and yellow squash as the sun. Or, use familiar children's books like Eric Carle's The Very Hungry Caterpillar and Russell Hoban's Bread and Jam for Francis to introduce healthy options such as whole grain pasta. As they develop, kids can gain insight into the nutritional benefits of various foods by reading food labels. The platform eatlove.com makes this easy by providing dietary breakdowns of every recipe, helping kids understand what's going into their bodies. Cultivating an early love of healthy foods may set them up for lifelong well-being and good habits. Making healthy options accessible and visible. Food choices begin early and often last a lifetime. Poor eating habits formed during childhood can persist into adulthood, creating health issues and complex relationships with food. Help children make healthy eating part of their lifestyle by stocking the pantry with plenty of nutritious food, like fruit, vegetables, low-fat or fat-free dairy, whole grains, and lean proteins. Be wary of unhealthy treats high in added sugars, sodium, or saturated fat content. Offer more water and unsweetened, non-carbonated beverages rather than soda or juice. Save sugary desserts, such as cake or chocolate, treats for special events. Provide an abundance of nutritious snacks during their breaks at school or home, including fresh fruit and vegetables, whole grain crackers, or toast with nut butter. Remember protein-rich options like peanuts, sunflower seeds, tofu, or legumes, along with sources of calcium such as milk, yogurt, or fortified soy beverages. Encouraging exploration and positive language. Children require a diet rich in healthy foods to flourish, yet many children can be reluctant to experiment with new tastes and textures. Parents can help by encouraging their children to explore food through their senses. Encourage kids to use all three senses when exploring food: sight, smell, and taste. Here is a quick tip. Have them select 2 foods from categories, like animal crackers and apples or chips and celery, before asking them to choose one from each group for tasting. This teaches them that taste cannot be judged solely based on visual appearance. Instead, they need to use their tongues as much as possible when making this decision. Pair new foods with familiar ones to increase the odds they're accepted, like pairing carrots with a yogurt dip. Remove negative language from dinner table conversations, like "you probably won't like this, but give it a try." Model healthy eating habits by limiting screen time, eating vegetables regularly, and engaging in regular physical activity. This sets an example of lifelong, positive health habits for your children. Teaching portion control and balanced food choices children make today will follow them into adulthood. Likewise, poor eating habits may result in weight gain, high cholesterol, diabetes, and adult breathing problems. Teaching kids how to balance various nutritious foods in appropriate portions helps create an effective plan to prevent overeating and weight gain later in life. Proper portions are the right combination of foods that provide adequate nourishment to support healthy growth and development. Portion control entails eating a diet rich in all these food groups to maintain balanced nutrition and prevent health complications. So, to recap, be patient. Children typically need 10 to 15 exposures before accepting new foods, so be persistent. Encourage family members to eat together at mealtimes for conversation and bonding opportunities. Limit snacking between meals to prevent overeating. It may help if meals and snacks are served simultaneously daily, so children refrain from grazing freely between meals and snacks. Use tools to make your life easier. Educators and families can employ these tools to assist children in understanding healthy portions. Modeling healthy eating habits as parents. One of the best ways to teach their children healthy food choices is by setting an example. Children learn by following, so if you want them to make intelligent choices about eating, try eating healthily yourself. Provide healthy snacks to your kids, letting them choose from various choices, which can change depending on the day. Avoid using food as a reward or punishment. For instance, telling your child they'll get dessert if they finish eating their vegetables can send an unintended message about eating veggies. Serve foods from all 5 groups, including fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Avoid unhealthy fats and limit sugary beverages. Experience new foods yourself and teach your children that not all food is good or bad, but some may be healthier than others. Make regular, daily meals and snacks a priority and limit TV/computer time to prevent mindless snacking. Instead, encourage active activities for everyone. Finally, some children turn to food when bored or upset, so parents and guardians must teach them alternative ways of managing their emotions without eating. If this becomes an issue for your child, seek professional assistance immediately. That's the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to visit us at www.hackbeingaparent.com for more information on the topics we cover. The link to the resources mentioned in the video can be found in the description. Thanks again for your time, and I hope to see you on our next topic.